Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Mabuhay!
Salamat po sa inyong pagdalo at pag-honor ng aming imbitasyon na tumalo dito sa isang historic event, dito sa isang historic building na kung saan ay nagbibigay galang, pinaparangalan ang mga national heroes natin. Itong historic place tawag na Club Filipino. At ito ang napilit natin ngayong araw na ito upang ilunsad isang movement na ang adikain ay bigyan ng kinabukasan ng ating future generations. Na tayo ay makaahon sa putik na kinasasadlakan ng ating bayan na nabanggit ay ang korupsyon, ang political dynasty, at ang kinakailangan hinto ang electoral fraud through meaningful electoral reforms. We are very honored to have with us in this room the leaders, representatives of 6 key sectors of our society. At nais ko pong banggitin some of them who are here. Many of them are friends and familiar faces. Nais ko pong banggitin ang representative, one of the key movers of the retired military and uniform sector, General Renato de Villa. And we also have here from the media, Mr. Jarius Bondok. I'd like to give you from the religious sector, we have Bishop Colin Bagaforo of the Caritas Pilipinas, Bishop Jerry Almanza. From the youth sector, we have Cyril Litunyas, Student Catholic Action Philippines, and John Lazaro of Samahan Progresibo ng mga Kabataan. From the women's sector, we have Tita Flor Santos of Oriang Samahan. This is standard. And Ms. Joy Mendoza of the Beatus Circles Network. From the business and professional sector, we have Mr. Edwin Fernandez, ex-president of Phoenix, an active member of the Vanguards, and of course, Attorney Alex Lacson, a lawyer, author, and one of the movers of AMI. And from the civil society, we are expecting very soon Mayor Benji Magalon of and Attorney Luke Espiritu. So these sectors, the names I called, represent the religious and faith-based sectors or organizations, business and professionals, retired military and uniformed personnel, the youth, women, and civil society organizations. Sila po ay ipapakilala isa-isa mamaya together with the respective organizations. How did ANIM came to be? How did Alyansa ng Nagkakaisang Mamamayan came to be? It started 2 months ago when members of civil society groups, some religious leaders, professionals, met with retired military officers, senior officers, and discussed what are the biggest problems facing our nation today. And you will agree with me on 3 main issues. Political dynasty. 80% of governors in our country are products of political dynasty.